Now this time it give me code to upgrade. We need to upgrade the file utils.py code, and also now I upgrade all codes. Let's see the app. Now it processing. Sorry, I'm again restarting this app. Let's see. Now the app is restarted. Let's see. The app is started. Let upload the resume. Let's see. Okay, it easily loading this time. In terminal, not showing it any error. Okay, it worked, but it giving the uh, all first it not showing the ATS score right, and second it giving the result in markdown. Okay, and this time I am telling the ChatGPT to solve this. Let's see. Okay, now I give the all of thing like ATS score and all markdown result. Let's see. Okay, it telling. Okay, we need to up to date index.html file, and it is showing me we need to make separate file for result, but I have also a separate result page there, and it also giving the back end code. Okay, and I also paste the HTML all code which it giving, and also I paste the backend code of FastAPI. Now I want something more. I also want their separate page for editing, to edit the resume with AI. Okay, let's see. Before we continue this video, I have a request for you. Please subscribe my channel and set notification on all, and also like this video, and thanks for watching. Okay, I write my problem here. Um, Now let's see what it answer. Okay, it gives me the folder structure. It gives me new folder structure this time. Backend main.py file, and also give the pages it, but I not want like this. I think now the ChatGPT is hallucinating, so why it giving me? Now I again tell my all idea of the app, and this time it gives me the many pages HTML codes. Now I am copy and pasting the all over code. Now this time I am asking for index.html code. Uh, give me an upgraded code. I am asking to ChatGPT. Let's see. I upgrade the index code. Now this time I am asking for main.py file code. Now let's see. Okay, I am upgrading my main.py file. Let upgrade this file. Okay, I paste my all code. Let's see. The app is restarting. App application setup complete. Let's see. Okay, the app is start, and you watching the new interface on your screen. Let upload this resume and check. Okay, but it all think is empty. Why all think is empty? I think there is a some error. Let's see the error. Now I am updating some files. Then it will be work, I think. Let's see. Okay, it give me the code. Let up to date. We need to up to date main.py, and also result.html. Let copy, and let's see. We also need to copy pip install fpdf library. Let install this library. Oh, let's see. By mistake, I paste the um, main.py file code, and now this time I delete the previous terminal, and now this is new terminal. Okay, now I am setting the path. Let set. Okay, the path is ready. Let uh, install fpdf library. Okay, the library is installing. Now I adding. Now I add the library in requirement files. You also install this library. Okay, let's see. Now this time we need to paste the code, up to date code, upgrade code, sorry. Let's see. Now I paste the upgrade code. Now I paste the result HTML result HTML result code. I also paste. Okay. Now I am looking for command to run the app. Let's see. Okay, I find. Now I run the app, but it's showing no module Flask. Flask. Let's see. I take the error. Now I take the error, and let's see ChatGPT how solve it. Now okay, let's see. Install Flask in your environment, but I am not using the Flask library to make this app. I am using the uh, FastAPI. Why it showing? In backend, I am using the uh, FastAPI. Let tell this. Okay, let tell this. Now I am telling the ChatGPT I am using FastAPI, not the Flask. So let's see. I think then it give me the right code to run this app, and I am also telling it to give me final and clean code for this app. So let's see. I hope it give me right code now this time, which work in the app, in this app. Let's see. Now it answering me, but it gives me the new structure of this project. I not like this. It not working well. Now it give me the new project structure. I am not happy. So let's see the how we can solve this problem.